right, y'all, back at it. About to pull these black door panels off, install these red ones. Y'all can see how trash the factory ones is. This is not leather, that's plastic. This is like a fake leather. But now we got real leather in there. Match the seats. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on here in a second. About to pull this bitch off. I'm gonna tell you what to do too. So it's one bolt there, one bolt there, one bolt there. And you got a bolt here, in there, and you got a bolt under there. That's it. And it just pop off from there. So I'll get this off real quick and I'll cut y'all back on. All right, so this is it. It's 4 bolts in there. That's the door handle. Then you remove this white clip from here, and this go there, this wire. Then you pull that light out. Simple as fuck. I'll cut y'all back on when I get this out. All right, y'all see it. One down, one to go. But that shit is a perfect match too, y'all. So you can tell the color of the leather. Exactly the same. I like how the door cards turned out for sure. Y'all see it. About to put this other side in real quick. I'll cut y'all back on. All right, got the other door panel off. About to install her in. Shit pretty straightforward, for real. So y'all shouldn't have no problems. It's them 3 bolts at the bottom, a screw here, a screw there. Then that bitch just pop off. You can see where it pop in there, those clip things. Then you unplug those 3, 1, 2, 3, and that's it. And then the 4 bolts in here for the handle. Easy peasy. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in 1 second. See how it's looking with that red in there. Exclusive. All right, there it is, y'all. It's done. Finally fucking done. Y'all see how I look. Finally done, y'all. Finally done. Y'all see how she looking. Everything together for sure. Y'all see. In there now. Y'all see it in there for sure. You see it now. Hold on, I'm gonna take y'all. Since I switched the wheels on here and the red interior. Y'all see it. Way smoother with the wide body wheels on. You can feel more traction on the road, definitely. Definitely. Try to give y'all a little hit. Why is that airbag light on? I gotta fix that for sure. I don't know why that's on.
everything is perfect on here for sure. Thank the Lord. No rubbing, no scraping, nothing. Everything good for sure. Y'all can hear that fucking redeye, that 2.7 screaming. And I'm not even giving it no gas at all. Like, literally. Flying.
Say good night to the cat, y'all. She'll be back out tomorrow. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Peace.